I am Chef Carol, and I am going to very quickly show you how I make my favorite guilty pleasure, chocolate bark. I have a small saucepan, water, just enough water not to touch the bottom of the pan. I am going to take my sugar-free dark chocolate. This is 9 ounces. I'm going to let it melt. Once it melts, I'm going to take ground nuts and mix it in. And if you have nut allergies, do not do this particular step. You can just add other sugar-free candies. We're going to let the chocolate melt, and then I'll come and stir it up until it's liquefied. And I have a pan prepared here with parchment paper, and I'll spread it out and let it come to a chill in the refrigerator. I'm also going to add nuts to the top. Let's get to it. I'm going to mix the crushed nuts into the chocolate. Give it a good little stir. I'm going to spread the chocolate onto the parchment. It really should be a little more liquefied than this. The chocolate bark has been in the refrigerator for about 3 hours. And what I do now is very simply break it into smaller pieces. Like such. And then I will store it in the refrigerator for those times when I get a chocolate attack. And I can have sugar-free chocolate with nuts and no guilt. So, bon appetit, and let me know how you love having chocolate again.